Hello! The Gallivanting Gingers are back with more Christmas lights. This is a single house, but this house is decked out. They have everything in this yard. We drive by and turn around so I can get a better video. This is located at 3915 Fountain Avenue in East Ridge, Tennessee. It isn't far from Jason Drive. I will keep recording when we're done here so you can see how close it is to Jason Drive. This video will end at Jason Drive, but the Jason Drive video is already posted, so if you haven't seen it, go back and check it out. I'll put a link below. I have one more house to show you from this road trip. This one is back in Chattanooga, not far from Standerford Gap Road. I'm going to try to get it posted soon. Don't forget to stay tuned as we continue recording history, one road trip at a time.